Bwe n'Ensoko TV obworoso bw'omugusi.
Mwancho muligeri w'Ensoko TV kurwanda onsi asura somogoroba obono na gukwaniri naboigo no kugenda kwane buna kwegokiri nemeroberi yonsi y'Ensoko TV kuruboga kiete Chinsa Ikomi nebere cheke mambi goikera boni gana indengo kwarigania elio oyanyore Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge tobwati wetera asenchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook Ensoko TV naboigo asensemeria YouTube Ensoko TV eretariane Ishmael Mogere. Chiskuru chiabanyenemeye county ya Nyamira insiyo moteneri o KPCA Margaret Gesare nigaene kiribuna nigaborokiwa be grade kirigia kianda nigobari tayari asogotemwa kwa matemwa Kenya Junior School Education KJSEA kago kwana n'Ensoko TV aseskuru ya Bisamu Academy miye ward ya township ebunge ya West Mogrango miye county ya Nyamira Gesare nigaene kirienga ekero gotemu kwo korakoreke omweri bumutinyi ogocha nigo chiskuru echo chiabanyene chiariganirie ose chiariganirie aborkiwa ase chisemi chiebiyorokerelyo.
My name is Margaret Gisari. I'm the proprietor Bisamu Academy. I'm the chair Nyamira Private Schools Association. Now, as far as grade 9s are concerned, we are really prepared and ready, and the children are ready for the exam. Like here, you can see them busy with their practicals in the lab, in our laboratory. And most private schools have set up labs for these subjects that need experiments, and the children are having it hands-on. I'm telling you, when they come to senior school, you'll be surprised to find that they know more than you imagine they know. All schools are all prepared and ready for the assessments which are coming at the end of next month. Now, I would encourage parents. In the private sector, we are doing so well. We have invested quite a lot. As far as laboratories are concerned, as far as libraries are concerned, we are up to the game. As far as teachers handling these students are concerned, we have trained and qualified teachers ready, and they have supported these children. You will tell us by the end of the 12th grade, you'll be able to attest that children who have come from private schools are really outshining their counterparts from the public schools.
My name is Cecilia Ogwara Kerubo. I'm from Bisamu School. I'm in grade 9, and we are all prepared as candidates of this year. We want to do that exam because we have done tele revision with all our teachers in all basic subjects.